Let's make a soft, creamy French omelet. Whisk the eggs until perfectly smooth and airy. Stir continuously for a creamy, delicate texture. Melt butter gently over low, even heat. Shape the omelet while keeping it soft and tender.
Fold carefully for the signature French finish.
Finish with fresh herbs and a touch of butter. Enjoy a rich, creamy French omelet like a true chef.